Hi there, I'm Sue Nichols from CMKG and super excited to invite you to my complimentary webinar that we're running next Thursday, April 8th, and I'm really hoping you can make it. I'm going to be talking to you about the changing shopper, which is not a new thing. You see a lot of information out there about that, but I want to really dig in to understand how are you in your category management and shopper insights and sales roles, how are you talking about the shopper differently today and analyzing the data differently than you did a year ago? You know, I was already concerned that people were forgetting about the shopper in the work that they did, the presentations they made, the assortments they were deciding on. And I'm just concerned that we're going to act like this pandemic never happened and that we're going to go out to our old ways of doing things. Shoppers have new habits. We're really trying to figure that out, and we need to change our approaches based on those habits. So come and join me. It's going to be fun and engaging, 45 minutes, and it will be worth your while. Happy learning. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.